You mentioned that you went to the doctor and they discovered that you had some abnormal values in your urine when they did a test on it. And sometimes these abnormal values can come from an actual infection, and sometimes it can just be a contaminated sample, like sometimes there's bacteria or other things that are on the skin that end up in the urine, and then it's detected when you do a test. So it needs to be interpreted by a doctor who can decide if it's indeed contamination or if there is an infection. Now, you mentioned that the nurse asked you if you have any symptoms, and it sounds like you didn't, and they didn't treat you. If you ever notice symptoms of a UTI, be sure to call the doctor as soon as possible, because a urinary tract infection can actually cause preterm labor. Symptoms of a UTI can include the feeling like you have to pee all the time, and when you sit down to go, nothing comes out. But that also sounds a lot like pregnancy, so a lot of pregnant women don't even know they have one. If you, however, ever experience burning when you urinate, then this is a sign that's pretty noticeable to you and a good reason to call the doctor. Now, urinary tract infections can cause preterm labor because anything that happens down in your abdomen with the bladder or the bowels can cause you to contract. And the most frequent symptom of urinary tract infection in a pregnant lady is contractions. That's one of the first things we'll do when a woman comes in that's preterm. We'll check a urine sample, and if she's got a UTI, that's actually a good explanation for what's going on and reassures us a little bit, because if we caught it soon enough, we can treat the infection, stop the contractions that day, and send her home to have a happy, healthy, full-term pregnancy. So just keep an eye on things, and if you ever notice burning or start to contract, be sure to call your doctor right away. If you have any other questions for me in the future, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms, and recommend us to your friends and family too.